Maldives. With 99% sea and 1% land, the island nation of the Republic of Maldives is located in the Indian Ocean. This country of 1190 islands has everything a person could want from a tropical island. Clear water, white sand beaches, palm trees, warm sunny days, and lots of great diving opportunities. If you're flying from the Maldives Airport, you can take a boat or a seaplane to the resort island. This means that the facilities on the resort you choose, the restaurants, the bars, sports facilities, entertainment, etc., are the only ones that you will have access to during a stay. Things to do in Maldives. You'll be exhausted once you get to the Maldives. There's nothing like having a drink on the beach as you watch the waves or just hang out in the hammock on your deck. Maldives is a Muslim country. This means no alcohol. So on your way over, skip the duty-free purchases. But you could still buy your alcohol at your resort, but they will charge you a bomb for it. Scuba diving. I love to scuba dive and went on several open water dives while I was there. The world's biggest fish, the whale shark, has made Maldives its refuge. One of the very few destinations in the world where these magnificent creatures can be seen all through the year. You could quickly head over to the swimming pool, have a dip, and once you're done with your swimming, you can just dive into the ocean with the coral reefs. The peak season in the Maldives is December till April, and the prices during this period will reflect this. Maldives has a prominent place in the Guinness World Records as being the lowest and the flattest country in the world, with a maximum elevation above sea level of just 2.4 meters. Most resorts offer excursions by boat to local fishing village islands or to the capital Malé, but otherwise you'll stay on the resort island for the duration of your stay. I chose to stay in the overwater bungalow for one night, and the experience was amazing. You could literally just jump from your room into the water and swim with the small baby sharks and other fish. Surfing lessons. With all the naturally formed islands, there are quite a few reefs to surf, and you can get lessons in the most of beautiful places in the world. Shark and manta ray feeding sessions, which happens almost at all resorts in the evening and in the morning time. You could even bike around in the island or your resort. All the resorts are quite well spread. When the day is about to end, the waters of the Maldives take up a golden color, which create interesting illusions you can watch while sitting on the beach. Once you are in Maldives, you would want to come over again and again. And finally, this is the time that I say bye-bye to Maldives. So for all of you out there, until the next time, please like and subscribe this video, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.